How to fix Roblox. The application has encountered an unrecoverable error. So you want to open up your computer search and search for run. So right here we want to open up the run app, and this is what we type. So I'm just going to repeat it: percentage local app data percentage. And after that we press on enter on our keyboards. So right here it will open up this folder. We can click on any folder we would like and just type R, so we locate Roblox. And here we can see the Roblox folder. We basically want to right click on it and delete it. So after we have deleted this, before we exit out of it, we have to search for the temp folder as well. So again, I'm going to click on any folder and press T. So it takes me to the temp folder. So open up this temp folder. And here we want to search for Roblox again. I'm going to click on any folder, type R, and I can see Roblox right here. So we want to delete this folder as well. So right click on it and delete this Roblox folder. So after we have done this, what we have to do is open up our computer search again and search for uninstall. And we will get this option for system settings or uninstall applications. So we want to click on it, and here it will show you a list of all of your applications, and we want to search for Roblox. So basically, how many instances you may have of Roblox, you want to click on it and click on uninstall. So this will completely uninstall Roblox from our PC. So just uninstall these applications. And then after we have uninstalled Roblox, then the last thing that we need to do is actually reinstall Roblox. So open up Roblox on your browser, and then right here we can click on any game we would like. So after we have uninstalled Roblox, if we press on the play button, this window will detect that we don't have Roblox installed, and it will tell us that we have to download and install Roblox. So we just click on the button right here, not cancel, but the other button that you get, and this will reinstall Roblox for you. So if you still get this error, then the last thing I can suggest doing after reinstalling Roblox is opening up your computer search once more for the last time. Open up and search for Roblox. Find the Roblox player under apps, right click, open file location, and this is what we have to change. So right click on the Roblox player, go to properties, and here we have to go to the compatibility tab and check these settings. So run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. So after that you click on apply, OK, and this will fix your error. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.